cut out some shapes and learn to draw mindfully in just a few minutes. I've traced a rectangle-shaped piece of heavy paper to make a frame for my mindful mosaic drawing. Next, I'm dropping paper shapes and tracing them. If you want to use the same pretty shapes that I'm using, you can use the link in the description to download a PDF that you can print and cut out. If you like the quotes on my paper shapes, you might also be interested in joining my Mindful Drawing membership, where I give you new lessons each month that have videos and printable instructions that include shapes with quotes on them that you can cut out. There's more to the membership, so I'll put a link to learn more in the description. If you like my crocheted pencil grip, I'll put a link in the description to get free instructions on how to crochet your own pencil grip. You can make the pattern by using either straight or curved lines. Thanks for joining me for this mindful mosaic drawing. I hope you found it as much fun and relaxing to draw as I did. Please check out my other videos, which include warm-ups and more mindful drawing draw-alongs.